Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Roblox encountered an unrecoverable error. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So if you're getting a message like this, similar to this, where it says the application encounters an unrecoverable error, there's a few steps you're going to want to do in order to resolve this. So first, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser, and once you've done that, if you're on Google Chrome, what you want to do is come up to the three dots in the top right hand corner up here, click onto this and then come down and click onto setting. Next, come across to the menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. From here, what you're going to want to do is underneath the section that says privacy and security down here, you want to click onto cookies and oversight data. Now what you want to do is just scroll down a bit until you see the option that says all site data and permissions, and go ahead and give that a click. At the very top in the search box up here, you want to go ahead and type Roblox, and as you can see that should display roblox.com. So what you want to do first is actually come to the trash can next to it, click onto trash can and go ahead and click clear the cache for Roblox. Once that's done, the next step is to come back to your desktop and then come down to the search box in the bottom left hand corner. Give this a click and type run to open up the run application in the run box. You want to start following, which is a % symbol followed by app data, then another % symbol, and then press OK. This is going to open up a folder like this, and what you want to do is come to the address at the top here and click onto app data next. Go ahead and double click onto the local folder and go ahead and find the Roblox folder. What you can do is just click any folder and press R on your keyboard to be taken to your folders that begin with R. You can see the Roblox folder here, and what you want to do from here is go ahead and delete the Roblox folder. And once you've gone ahead and deleted the folder, make sure you empty your recycle bin. And what you want to do next is open up the settings on your PC. So again, come down to the search icon at the bottom left hand corner, click onto the search icon and type settings now. Go ahead and open the settings app underneath best match, and from here what you want to do is find the app section, which is down here. Give that a click, and in the search approach you want to go ahead and type Roblox into here. Next, what you want to do is you just go ahead and uninstall Roblox from your system. Just takes manual to do this. Once that's done, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser. So next, what you want to do is come across to roblox.com/download and then go ahead and click the green download now button to start installing the launcher. Once that's done, you should go ahead and run the launcher to install Roblox on your system. So it just takes a minute or two to do this. Once that's done, the final thing to do is just to change the compatibility. To do this, come back to your desktop and then come down to choose the search icon in the bottom left hand corner. Give that a click and go ahead and type Roblox player. Next, underneath this match, what you want to do is right click onto the Roblox player and click onto open file location. This is going to take you across the Roblox folder, and what you want to do is make sure you click into Roblox player. Right click and then come down and click onto properties. So what it's going to do is open up a window like this. If you look out to the top, you've got some different tabs, and what you want to do is click onto the compatibility tab. From here, if you look into the settings section, you're going to see an option to disable full screen optimization. So what you want to do is take this box, click apply, and then click OK. Now what you want to do is just go ahead and restart your computer. Now go ahead and open up Roblox. That should resolve this issue with this error. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.